Alright, I'm back to wrap up the video for this week on Sean's model builds and show you the progress I made on Voyager. It was mostly the side decals that are on the saucer. You can see them here, including the hatch, because I did all the other upper windows beforehand. And I've started indicating in pink what I've done as far as detail painting. And you can see the side decals here. See, there's the hatch. I made sure to align Voyager and the NCC 74656 along the seam in the saucer, so I know it's detailed correctly. There's the other decals. Go way back there. And then you go forward. There's not much yet, but it will come later. And that's about it for now. Oh, wait a minute. You have something on the other side of the hatch. Oh, I haven't done it yet on the phaser mount. But you can see what's left to apply. That number 4, 61 twice. Number 4 on either side of the hatch. There's 61 a third time, and then 62 in front of the front sensor pallets. And you can see how I didn't have to do number 51 or anything. And you see the pink dot? That's because I painted them in place instead, even with a very fine tip Sharpie. So that is all for this week on Voyager. And I'll be back next week with more progress. See you then. Bye-bye.